Good afternoon, kids. Today we will learn this and that. When we use this to show a single person, place, animal, or thing which is near to us. For example, this is a banana. The banana is near to that girl. This is a queen. This is a hospital. We use this because hospital is near to that girl. We use that to show a person, place, animal or thing which is far from us. For example, the ship is far. The tree is far. The ice cream is far. So we should use here that. Let's learn more with sentence. Dash is an apple. What should we use here? Dash is a cat. Okay, the cat is far. So what will we use here? Good. Dash is a school. The school is near. What comes here? Very good. Dash is a balloon. The balloon is far. What comes here? This or that? Yay, good.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.